Surviving the storm is one thing, but now, off the nest in these freezing temperatures, this chick has just hours to live. Some chicks have already succumbed to exposure. Something is not right. The nest should not be empty. The chick is actually right below its parent, but because it's not on the nest, the parent doesn't recognize it and doesn't help it. Strangely perhaps, these albatross do not recognize their chicks by sight, sound or smell. They identify them by finding them on the nest. If it is to survive, the chick will have to get back on the nest by itself. The chick has made it. The bond is re-established immediately, and its parent once again provides the warmth that the chick so desperately needs.